Let's take a quick look at what the Fidelity Debit card has to offer. Whether you're managing your day-to-day expenses or traveling abroad, this card comes a lot with a lot of user features designed to make your financial life easier. With the Fidelity Debit card, you can withdraw cash at over a million ATMs around the world, anywhere you see Visa, Plus, or Star logos. If you have Fidelity Cash Management account, any ATM fees charged by other banks are automatically reimbursed, usually the same day. Now, if you're traveling internationally, good news, Fidelity doesn't charge foreign transaction fees when you use the card abroad. Just a heads up though, if you choose to pay in the US dollars overseas, you might get a different exchange rate than the market rate. Now, it's also very digital wallet friendly, so you can easily add the card to your Apple Pay or Google Play wallet for secure, convenient payments right from your phone. Along with everyday functionality, the Fidelity Debit card gives you access to some helpful benefits like extended warranties on your purchase and emergency support, accident insurance for travel, and rental car coverage as well. Now, you'll need an eligible Fidelity account like a cash management account or a regular brokerage account, non-retirement, to request the card. There's no annual fee and it works anywhere Visa is accepted. All in all, the Fidelity Debit card is a solid option if you're looking for a no-fee, globally accepted card with strong features and built-in peace of mind.